And those three clues will suggest the name of a pop star or pop act. My mate Zig, respect, will tell you what the clues are.
Oh yeah, cool. Okay, on Velcro Girl's shoulder we've got JP2.
Yeah!
There he is. On the other side, oh, it's like a virgin. It's Hail Mary. Yeah. And on Velcro Girl's thigh we've got a razor.
Oh!
It's a disposable.
Oh, that throws you off the
Quick
track a
recap
little
then.
bit.
We have a picture of the Pope, we have a statue of the Virgin Mary, and we have a razor. And in the second row, Stephen has both. Thank you very much, DJ Lee.
Thank you.
Shut up, DJ.
Yeah,
You're overdoing it.
We've been
It's
listening
annoying now.
all
Stephen,
weekend.
who do you think it is?
Madonna.
Would it be Madonna? Let's ask Velcro Girl. Is it Madonna? No. Freddie
Almost too
is
easy.
in the front row. He needs a good haircut and a shave. Freddie, who do you think it is?
Sinead O'Connell.
Would it be Sinead O'Connor? Let's ask Velcro Girl. Yeah! And just a quick explanation. Sinead O'Connor is famous for ripping up a poster of the Pope.
Oh.
She played the part of the Virgin Mary in The Butcher Boy.
Ah, good
and
film.
in the late 80s and early 90s, she shaved her head. Sinead O'Connor, well done, Freddie. Thank you very much, Velcro Girl.
Questions will near the lovely hands of Velcro Girl.
What's wrong, Zenda? What's wrong? You sure? Okay. Would you like 3, 2, or 1?
One, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Velcro Girl. Wait for it, wait for it.